In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can split part of your video track on InShot app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, now I have here a video and I like to go ahead and split part of my video. For instance, if I want just to cut off from here, I can simply just make sure that the arrow or this cursor is here and then tap on the timeline like that to highlight it. Once you have tapped on it, scroll on this and then you'll see this option called split. If you go ahead and tap on it, you can see now it has been split into two parts, and now I can go ahead and delete this portion if I so wish. And as you can see, it has been deleted. Now if you want to just split a section maybe in the middle and remove it, you can just identify the position or the location you want to split. For instance, I want to split from here and then end here and then remove this section. So I can just select the section that I want to remove or to delete and then delete using this, and it has been deleted. So that's how you split or cut a section of your video on your timeline using InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.